Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the SOUNDCORE AeroFit Pro headphones and I'm going to tell you how to manage your spatial audio in them. So, at first we need to go straight to the application. If you want to know how to set this application with your headphones, check our channel because we have a video for that. Here, tap your device and now you have to go to the sound effects. The spatial audio is the first option here. If you tap it, you'll see spatial audio fixed or head tracking. Apart from that, as you can see here, they have sound field modes, either music mode or movie mode. Just tap on each to set it. And actually, that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.